Polpette, the Italian meatballs everyone loves. Crispy on the outside, juicy inside and packed with flavor. Let me show you how to make them effortlessly with delicious results. Cut 150 grams or 5.3 ounces of stale bread into small pieces. It's important to measure it as a dry weight. If you like softer meatballs, use more bread. For firmer ones, use less. This step is crucial for the texture of your polpette. Pour milk over the bread and let it soak until fully absorbed. If needed, add a bit more milk. In the past, bread was used to stretch meat, because pure meat was too expensive. This is a brilliant way to use leftover bread and avoid waste. Now add 700 grams or 26 ounces of ground meat to a bowl. More pork will make the meatballs juicier, while beef will give them a firmer texture. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. They help bind the mixture together, ensuring the meatballs keep their shape, whether you're frying or deep frying them. Generously season the mixture with freshly ground black pepper. It gives the polpette the perfect hint of spice. Don't forget a pinch of salt. It enhances the flavor to the meat perfectly. Crush 3 cloves of garlic into the bowl. Garlic is an absolute must-have. It gives the polpette their distinctive aromatic flavor and take their taste to the next level. Finally, chop some fresh parsley. Use as much or as little as you like. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far and want to support us, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Grate 150 grams or 5.3 ounces of Parmesan cheese and add it to the mixture. Parmesan is a natural flavor enhancer and adds a wonderfully savory note to the meatballs. Add the soaked bread to the other ingredients in the bowl and mix everything thoroughly. Did you know polpette are perfect for meal prep? They'll keep in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, vacuum sealed in the freezer for up to a year. If you're craving meatballs, whip up a simple sauce with olive oil, garlic and tomato puree. Simmer it for about 30 minutes, then add the frozen polpette. Cover them with the sauce and let them simmer gently for another 30 minutes. In this way they warm up perfectly. Shape the mixture into small meatballs and place them on a plate or a flat tray. Polpette have an incredible history. They were originally created as a way to make the most of ingredients like meat, bread or vegetables. Similar dishes like kofta were enjoyed in ancient Persia, and over the centuries polpette evolved into a beloved classic worldwide. Roll the meatballs in breadcrumbs. This creates the crispy crust everyone loves. Whether served with tomato sauce, as a snack or in a sandwich, they're always a hit. Heat some sunflower oil in a pan. You can also use peanut oil or any other neutral vegetable oil depending on what you have at home. Fry the polpette over medium-high heat until golden brown. If the breadcrumbs darken too quickly, lower the heat. Cooking them a bit longer at a lower temperature ensures they're crispy and juicy. Flip the polpette once they're golden on one side and cook them evenly. Alternatively, you can deep fry them in oil heated to 160 to 180 degrees Celsius or 320 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit until they're perfectly crispy and cooked through. Once they are ready, take out the meatballs and place them on paper towels to remove the excess oil. Here's another Italian classic for you to try: cannelloni with minced meat.